Morning to everyone. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ungowe Ketelo. This might be a short video, but anyway, since so I was asked, Uguti, does Kundalini awakening have to do nemoya wenzuza, right? Somebody asked me that question, and ngifuna answer yena, but maybe even to somebody else who has the very same question. So remember I spoke about ama chakras and the association of the link yama chakras to our paternal and maternal ancestors. I did explain about that. And somebody had asked me to explain chakras like deep. Do I explain? Because when I explain chakras, then I'll have to explain crystal stones. Okay, fine. Now let's talk about the Kundalini effect, right? Or Kundalini awakening nesithunywa. So these two have to go. Yabona the parallel line. They have to be parallel, guys. Ziyahambisana, and that was my answer to that person. Unfortunately, when you respond to somebody, akunama voice note that you can make, and I always like to talk about things without writing. Writing, young Dina, you don't get the tone, or you don't get like a full understanding. Okay, so the Kundalini awakening nesithunywa. Kunabantu, guys, who have suppressed the Kundalini awakening yesithunywa sabo. Umuntu nesithunywa, guys, because isithunywa, you know that you would start by yawning a lot. Ne? Angifuni ukungena kuma-videos wabantu where they speak about isithunywa sokuzamula hey guys, yazi, I don't want to get into that, but you know that you're going to start ngokuzamula, like you yawn. Isithunywa, you yawn like crazy. Now, when you suppress the Kundalini awakening, izobalance isithunywa sakho, what happens is you are going to get anger. Abekho abantu abane anger njengabantu abanesithunywa, right? But they're suppressing Kundalini awakening within themselves. Because manje lesithunywa siyalwa, sifuna ukubhoboka. And when you are suppressing that, because ukubhoboka kwaso, that is when you are going to feel the Kundalini effect. That you feel physically from the spine upwards, right? Now, affecting your chakras. Now, mawuzo suppressa that, akekho umuntu one-anger njengalo muntu, because what you are trying to do now, lento ugcine uyibhodla physically or uyi-actor physically. Umuntu ongakangeni ku-Kundalini awakening onesithunywa, guys, angayithatha i-TV ayoyiphahlaza ngaphandle. Uyakwazi ukuthatha into ashaye kwasana ephuke, because kunalento efana ibhobeke, kunalento efaneke ihlushwe kuye. Do you understand? So that isithunywa sizophakama. Now, kunale nkinga, I heard somebody saying ukuthi isithunywa hlanjululo rasiphakanyiswa. Angizwe ukuyiphendula into zabantu, guys, into zabo abayifundisiwe nabo amathongo abo. Now angifuni ukuphikisa lutho, but now isithunywa masihlushwa, guys, when you start feeling lokuhlushwa, when you start feeling the Kundalini awakening, you feel it even nangebody yakho. Abantu abaningi bahlushwa yi-Kundalini awakening and they don't even know how to explain it. Guys, isithunywa will make you do crazy things. So what do I mean by people suppress Kundalini awakening? So uzama ukuzibamba ne into the way you should be acting makuphakama isithunywa, the way ufanele ukureact ngakhona. So uzozama ukubamba lawo ma-reactions wakho, and now lento iyakulimaza ngaphakathi ugcina ugula. That is why uzothola umuntu wesithunywa akhala. That is why uzothola umuntu wesithunywa ashintsha, akhuluma izinto iy'limi for some. Uzomthola alula izandla Yeah, ngathi uyazilula ngathi uba nama-cramp. That's the Kundalini awakening. Now, when Namazo suppressa that part of you, you're going to limaza yourself. Because lento lo moyo now fane kubhoboke, whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not, I did mention mangikhuluma ngesithunywa ngathi ezinye izinto. But guys, Kundalini awakening has to happen mawunesithunywa, so that kuzoba ne-balance, so that kuzoyehla i-anger. And let me say this, isithunywa sihambisani ne-anger, guys. Yabona mawufuna ukuthi isithunywa sakho kusilimaza, mawufuna ukusilimaza isithunywa sakho, mawufuna ukuthi singayi indawo singasebenzi, ugcina ungazi ukuthi kahle kahle unani, hlala une-anger. Isimoya guys siyadinga ukuthi umuntu ayehlise umoya. Isimoya ngasihambisani nama-emotions, ngizo-emphasize that isimoya sihambisani nama-emotions. Awukwazi ukuphakamisa umoya wokukwata nokuphakamisa umoya wesithunywa at the same time, akuhlangani lokho. Uyabona? So khona okufanele kwehle kudambe, and manje yulimaza igift yakho. So allow the Kundalini awakening to happen to you, so that uzokwazi ukuthi isithunywa sakho sizoba balanced. Isithunywa sakho sizoba balanced. Allow it. Allow your chakras to awaken, so that le moya wethongo nawo, or lo moya wamathongo nawo uzoba balance. Balance your chakras, so that amathongo akho azosebenza ngendlela efanele. Alignment. Everything is always going to go back to alignment, so that yonke into umhlaba wakho ungeze ukuhlangana, umhlaba wakho uzoba yilento ekufanele kube yiyo. Thank you.